Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Embraer adds counter-drone capability to A29 Super Tucano using existing sensors and systems. Embraer has announced a major upgrade to its A29 Super Tucano aircraft, expanding its mission set to include the ability to counter unmanned aerial systems, UAS. The Brazilian aerospace company said the new capability is designed to be effective and affordable, using largely existing sensors and systems. The enhanced configuration includes data links for receiving initial target coordinates, EO, IR electro-optical, infrared sensors for laser tracking and designation, and both laser-guided rockets and wing-mounted .50 caliber machine guns to neutralize drone threats. The new concept of operations will be available to all current and future operators of the A29 Super Tucano. We continue to expand the A29's capabilities to address the most recent challenges faced by many nations worldwide, said Bosco da Costa Jr., President and CEO of Embraer Defense and Security. The continued challenges in modern warfare and the recent conflicts worldwide have shown the urgent need for solutions to fight drones. The A29 is the ideal tool to counter UAS unmanned aerial systems effectively and at low cost, adding to the aircraft's already extensive mission set that includes close air support, armed reconnaissance, advanced training, and many others. The A29 Super Tucano is known for its rugged design and ability to operate in remote and challenging environments, including from forward bases and improvised runways. With over 600,000 flight hours, it is the global leader in its class. Its current roles already include advanced training, close air support, border surveillance, ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and air interdiction, making it a flexible choice for air forces. To date, 22 countries have selected the aircraft due to its operational versatility and low life cycle costs. Equipped with modern avionics and communications systems, the Super Tucano supports accurate targeting and mission coordination. Its durability, reduced maintenance needs, and mission flexibility continue to make it one of the most cost-effective multi-role aircraft in its category. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.